What's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking jet ski or personal watercraft hoist, bunks specifically, and we just replaced the begging for replacement bunks, and you'll see them in today's video. It's the before and after. However, down below in the comments and description is a link to our replacement bunks video. Definitely check that out after this video. Let's take a look. We've made our way to our lake, and we have a Star brand jet ski hoist or personal watercraft hoist, and as you can see, the bunks, they're in bad shape. The right bunk is cracked and the carpet is fraying off, and these need to be replaced before we launch the jet ski and put it on this hoist.